Welcome back to another video then, guys. This is the Mario Mini 3. Despite the fact that it's got the original Mario Mini 25 canopy on it. Now, SpeedyBee, well, I don't know if it was SpeedyBee, but a lot of resellers are saying that it won't actually fit the original canopy. The 3-inch version absolutely does. I think the 3.5-inch version does too. The 4-inch doesn't fit the original canopy. But what we're going to do is we're going to do a mega comparison video, hopefully at the weekend or just after, and we'll answer all questions like that. If you've got any questions like that, please do leave them in the comments down below so that we can make sure we get everything covered. In the meantime, I'm going to take you for an initial flight, so I'll catch you back here in about 3 minutes. Okay, SpeedyBee Mario Mini 3. Now hold on a minute because the sky's far too blown out. Okay, that's better. Right, let's see what our initial first impressions are of this one then, shall we? I make no bones about the fact I absolutely adored the 3.5 inch. Now I can see that we have got props in view here, but it's a lot less than on the 3.5 inch version. It seems around about the same level of noise, if slightly noisier to be fair. But it's quick, it's very quick. It is really, really quick. Very agile. Really fun actually, which is ultimately what we're in this hobby for, isn't it? Now we've got a dog that's entered the field of play, but we are sub 249 grams with this one. So we're all good. We've got a spotter. We've got a decent signal. This does sort of float down a little bit arrow-like, similar to the 35. Albeit not quite as arrow sharp as the 35. It's still really, really good. Now we are using a sub 250 720 mAh 4S LIHV. I don't know what I'm doing there. We've been flying for 2 minutes and 30 seconds and we're at 3.6-ish. But nobody's really paying too much attention. It is making enough noise that people can see it and people are looking at it, but people are not really bothered by it. Yeah, I quite like this one as well. I think I like the 3.5 inch better, but this is literally just an initial impression, so the more I fly it, that may change. But 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Okay, I'm going to come back and land after 3 minutes and 36 seconds. Really good, really snappy, really locked in. Right, okay, that's an interesting one then, isn't it? It flew really well, it freestyled really well, and we've got a decent amount of flight time out of that 720 mAh LIHV from sub 250. Does it beat the 3.5 inch? Well, I'm not sure. I genuinely, I don't know. What I need to do is fly it some more for the review and answer all of the other questions that you guys have got. Like I say, we're running the original canopy on it. Does it beat the original? I don't know. Or does it beat the 35, should I say? I don't know. But you do get less props in view on this versus the 35. So if that's important to you, maybe it does beat it. But if you've got any questions, let me know in the comments down below and I'll make sure that I feature them in the full video. In the meantime, please like the video, hype the video, share the video, do all that sort of weird things. And like I say, once we've done the review of all three of these new quads, we're going to do a comparison of all three of the new ones and of course the old one, the 25. So let me know what you need to know and I'll cover it. Until next time, you've all been absolutely amazing. Peace. YouTube and I have had a chat and we believe that this is the video that you'll like the most. So watch it and let me know if they're right.